Hello, Godnatics admins. I'm April. I'll make this short, promise. This is for you, Yozo Ayala, the second bear brand. Okay, I'm conscious, pero eto na. Um, There's times when I want something more, someone more like me. There's times when this dress rehearsal seems incomplete, but you see the colors in me like no one else. And behind your dark glasses, you're something else. You're really lovely underneath it all. You want to love me underneath it all. I'm really lucky underneath it all. You're really lovely. So many moons that we have seen stumbling back next to me. I've seen right through one underneath, and you made me better. I've seen right through one underneath, and you made me better, better, better. Cause underneath it all, you are my real Prince Charming. Like the heat from the fire, you are always burning every time you're around. My body keeps stalling for your touch, your kisses and your sweet romance. And there's another side of you, what is a woman I adore. Aside from your temper, everything else secure. You're a good for me, baby, that I'm sure. Cause over and over again, I want more. You've used up all your coupons and all you got left is me. But somehow I'm full of forgiveness, I guess it's meant to be.